Hi everyone, in this video we are gonna bring you our screen monitoring platform, which is LEDMaster. LEDMaster is a cloud-based monitoring platform designed for the screen managers. It contains three main features, which is monitoring, alert, also the screen management. About monitoring features, it consists both module monitoring, the receiver card monitoring, also the processor monitoring. It also utilizes the sensors and cameras to monitoring the screen displays, also the environment data. Also, by continuously tracking the screen status, it will significantly enhance management efficiency. About the alert features, it offers comprehensive alert rules. Users can define different kinds of monitoring rules and the trigger conditions, also the alert levels, based on the various monitoring targets. After the alert rule is set up, the system automatically pushes the alert notifications through the email, which ensure timely responses. Also, we have about the LEDMaster's screen management. It also has the file library, which allow users to upload and read back from the screens the config file, the screen mapping, also the firmware, which allow users to upload to the screen to make sure the screen management safely. LEDMaster's file library allows upload and backup config files, the firmware, also the mappings from both receiver card and the processors. Makes screen configuration and processor control easily. Additionally, with sub-account organization management, LEDMaster significantly reduces collaboration costs, enhanced maintenance efficiency. With three main features, LEDMaster will be widely used in main industries like outdoor advertisements, the smart displays, also the smart city applications. So remarkably, it will enhance maintenance efficiency while achieve cost saving for your display. LEDMaster safeguards your display.